Let's clean a couple things and see if nanoSPOTMAXX is really capable to be a great commercial cleaner. All right, so this is one of the spots, like I said, that I've tested chemicals for Bonnetpro for years. I figure if I can clean up the grease off of this machine shop, I'm going to do pretty good on carpets. So let's spray this area. You can see I've done a sample cleaning before. Let's mist on some of this. We'll let it sit for a second or two. Maybe we'll even do some of this bad stuff up top. And you can see already some of the soils are just starting to run. And let's see how well this all-purpose carpet spotter and cleaner does on, on this old machine. Now, keep in mind, this has been building up for years and years and years, so it might need a second coat, or it might need to sit a little bit, or even a scrubby pad. But what we're going to do is we're going to make this look nice. A Scotch-Brite pad or the center of a Revive pad is something you can use to get a little bit more agitation as opposed to this soft microfiber rag, this cloth, and then we can just start to take off this years and years and years of buildup off of this. It's that second time did it. And look at the difference. This is like practically looks brand new. Now, if you can zoom in on the top here, you can see how bad that looks.